How to fix copied text not showing in suggestion bar in Gboard iPhone. If you're using Gboard on your iPhone and you've noticed that the copied text isn't showing up in the suggestion bar, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to fix this issue and get Gboard working properly again. First things first, let's make sure Gboard is set to your default keyboard. Sometimes copied text might not appear if the default keyword isn't properly set. Simply go to Settings app on your phone and simply find General and scroll down until you find an option that says Keyboard. Next, tap on Keyboard and make sure Gboard is listed as your default. If it's not, simply tap on Add New Keyboard and select Gboard from the list. You can search for it. Now, let's make sure clipboard suggestions are enabled in Gboard. Gboard has a feature where it shows copied text in the suggestion bar, but it's need to be activated. Simply go to settings and make sure that clipboard option is enabled. You can simply do that by simply searching for clipboard and make sure it's enabled. Now, if the problem persists, another fix is to clear the cache and data of Gboard. This can help resolve any bugs that may be affecting the clipboard feature. To do that, simply you need to what do is simply delete the Gboard app and install it again. Now, if none of these steps work, try restarting your iPhone. Sometimes a quick reboot is all it takes to get things working properly. And there you have it. Hopefully one of these steps help you fix the copied text showing up in the suggestion bar on Gboard.